Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Satika. Now I will explain the material for class 12 English literature, namely discussion text. What is discussion text? It's a discussion text is an argumentative text that contains two points of view, namely an objective view of the pros and cons. Discussion text is text that presents both sides of an issue or argument. Discussion text can include seminar material and discourse related to controversial issues. So, the conclusion contained in the discussion text are generally neutral. The purpose of the discussion text. The purpose of discussion text is to inform readers about a particular topic, issue, or question by presenting different perspectives, opinions, or arguments. In Indonesian, the purpose of discussion text is to provide a point of view, perspective, opinion, or argument regarding an issue to the reader. The points of view referred to in this discussion text can come from many sources and not just from one side. Structure of discussion text: 1. Issue, 2. Argument for, 3. Argument against, 4. Conclusion or recommendation. Example of discussion text: is it necessary to stir or not stir porridge before eating? Introduction and issue: porridge is a staple food for many people around the world, serving as a simple and nutritious breakfast option. If some people think that porridge can be eaten straight away without needing to be stirred, others argue that stirring it with a spoon before eating is an important step in the process of eating porridge. In this discussion, we will explore the argument for and against eating porridge, stirred or not. Supporting argument: one of the main reasons why porridge must be stirred before eating is so that all the ingredients in the bowl of porridge can be mixed evenly. By stirring, you can ensure that the porridge served chicken, beans, sauce, and other ingredients are mixed together. This creates a more enjoyable eating experience as each spoonful will have the same consistency and taste. Plus, why is it important to stir? Because stirring the porridge makes it easier to eat. Porridge that has been stirred will mix evenly and not spill small parts that will make the dining table dirt. Counter argument: one of the reasons why porridge should not be stirred is because it can cause the porridge to become too runny. If you stir it too well, the porridge you add will become a liquid porridge that doesn't have the desired texture or variety of flavors. Apart from that, the porridge you add will have an unathletic shape and may make you not have the appetite to eat. Plus, stirring the porridge is an unnecessary step. Some people argue that stirring just adds an extra step to the process and wastes valuable time. Analysis and reflection: it is clear that there are valid arguments on both sides, including this. On the one hand, stirring the porridge with a spoon can help ensure even distribution of the ingredients and make it easier to eat. On the other hand, stirring can also cause the mixture to be too runny and is considered by some to be an unnecessary step. Ultimately, the decision to stir porridge with a spoon or not comes down to personal preference. Conclusion: in conclusion, whether or not you can stir porridge with a spoon before eating is one that has been around for a long time. While there are arguments in favor of stirring, some say it is not necessary. Ultimately, the choice to stir or not is a personal choice, because this comes back to the preference and needs of each different individual.